Hi guys, my name is Pavan and I welcome you all towards my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video I'm going to tell all the important current affairs which you're supposed to go through before appearing for your upcoming Christ University interview for both BA as well as for BBA LLB. So parallelly, if you're preparing for your Symbiosis interview too, please do focus on these questions which I'm going to tell now, because after the request from many students, I'm just putting up this video. Hope that this video can help you a lot with your preparation. And guys, give your best, okay? Just 1 month preparation, you can enter into a dream college. So I know that you have to sacrifice many things. It's totally fine, but it's worth it. If you want to get into top colleges, you have to sacrifice something. Part of now enjoyment. So your friends might be enjoying now. So just sacrifice all these things and just focus on your preparation. That can help you a lot. Starting with the important factors which you're supposed to focus is, first is on fundamental rights and fundamental duties. I've already made the video on that. Second one is about the Chief Justice of India. Especially in Christ University interview, it's very important to know who is the present Chief Justice of India, who was the past Chief Justice of India, what are the famous landmark judgments. Very important. Kindly just go through it. Okay. Thirdly, about what is a contract and what are the essentials of a contract. Okay. What is a contract and what are the essentials of a contract. Fourth one is the powers of president and vice president, or the powers of president and governor. Just know very well what are the functions and what are their powers, responsibilities. Just go through it. If you're from Karnataka, if you're from any particular state, just know who is your governor. It's very important. They can ask any kind of such kind of questions. And next is about all the ministers' name of both center as well as on whichever state you're residing. No, just know about all the ministers' name. That will play a very important role, because in an interview they normally ask a lot just to check whether are you very well aware about it. And next aspect is about, just know about the powers of chief minister and the prime minister. Know how it is distinguished, what are the powers and what are the responsibilities. Got it? The sixth one is about organs of central government. Guys, very important. Executive, judiciary, legislative, know their organs, what are the powers and responsibilities. Just go through it. I think that can help you a lot. Seventh aspect is about, just know who is a lawyer, who is a barrister, who is an advocate, who is a senior advocate, who is a solicitor general, attorney general, public prosecutor. I'll just repeat it. Just know the difference between who is a lawyer and who is a barrister. Just know what is the difference between who is a lawyer and an advocate. Just know who do we consider as a public prosecutor, or who do we consider as a attorney general of India. Just know the names. It's very important. Attorney general of the name. Also learn about the solicitor general of India. What are their powers, what are the responsibilities. Guys, trust me, it's going to help you a lot. Just learn it, because these are the most famous interview questions. They're just asking a lot, and after conducting so much, more than 60 to 90 mocks for the students, especially for law students in specific, I'm just conducting for more mocks for Symbiosis students as well as for Christ University students. And most of the general feedback after attempting the real interview is that they're getting more questions on such basis. So just go through it. It can help you a lot. Even if you want any kind of mock interview for both Symbiosis or Christ University or anything, just go below in the description box. I've just put up a link. You can register and then attend my mock, and I'm sure that I can help you a lot on what all mistakes you're making and where you need to focus. So next, answering to the next factor, that's about legal maxims. Guys, learn the important legal maxims. Know who's a petitioner. Know who's a petitioner, who's a respondent, and then defendant, plaintiff. Okay, basic legal maxims, just know it. What is the meaning of res judicata? Okay, basic legal maxims, it's very important. Kindly go through it. It can help you a lot. Trust me, it's going to help you a lot. Legal maxims, not only that, presently it's going to help you a lot for your upcoming interview, plus when you go for your law school also, it can help you a lot. So just know all the important legal maxims. So if you're preparing for your clat, no, I think you might be covering up all these factors, but just go through it. For your interview perspective, it is very important. Next is about defenses of murder. Okay, defenses of murder. Next is about 11th aspect, 11th topic which I want to tell you is about difference between civil crime, criminal law. Okay, just know what is municipal law, what is domestic law, what is international law, what are different types of law. See, for example, if you're telling your hobbies of sports, they may ask you, could you tell me what is sports law? If you're telling something regarding to entertainment, we have entertainment law, we have intellectual property rights law, AI, artificial intelligence and law. Just know about the basics. Just know about it. See, it's not required for you to know very depth about it. You're not going to do any kind of PhD thing while attempting for your interview. It's just an UG interview, right? So just know the basics. That's more than enough. Okay. Now, next is about death penalty. Just know about capital punishment very well. That's a very important topic. Next, 13th one is about jurisdiction. What is jurisdiction? Just know about it. Basics. Okay. Next, 14th aspect, know about Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. How many members are there? Who's the speaker of both the houses? Who's the chairman? Just know about it. I think that can help you a lot, because most of the questions are being asked in that perspective. I think if you just analyze or just glance through it, that can help you a lot. Next is about qualities of a lawyer. Okay, qualities of a lawyer. See, if you're going for the interview, it is very important they ask you about what are the qualities of a lawyer, what are the qualities of an advocate. If you tell that you want to become a Chief Justice of India, yes, I was taking one of the mock interviews for one of the student. He said that he want to become Chief Justice of India. So I asked him, how do we appoint a Chief Justice of India? Who appoints them? So that he doesn't know. So it's very important, whichever profession you want to take up. See, I think you guys will be knowing about your self-introduction. You're supposed to tell what you want to become, right? You'll be mentioning in your self-introduction, yes, I want to become a judge. Just know what are the procedure for the appointment of a judge. What is the exam you have to qualify? Just know about it. Just a small reading would be more than enough. Okay, that would be perfect. Next is about COVID-19 impacts on everything. Okay, it's very important. It's one of the most trending questions. COVID-19 impacts on economy, society, for example, COVID-19 impact on healthcare services, and how migrant workers are being affected, everything regarding COVID-19 aspect. Even how, because of COVID-19 impacts, how the court system is functioning. So now we are just shifting into electronic factors. So just go through it. I think that can help you a lot. Next is about constitution. What is constitution? How many articles are there in the constitution? If I'm not wrong, we have 395 articles. And what is preamble? What is act? What is a bill? Just go through it. Okay. Next about child labor problems in India. Just go through it. I think just know about, because these are the recent topics which in the newspaper we can find it out every day. And do suggest you read Hindu newspaper. Okay, it's very important. See, for the time being, if you're very less, it's fine, but develop that habit of reading Hindu newspaper, especially editorial page. That can help you a lot for the interview. Okay, because balanced views will be there. Okay, they'll mention the advantages, the disadvantages, and their viewpoints. I think those viewpoints plays a very important for us law students like us on how we need to improve. Next is about judges of Supreme Court. How many judges are there in Supreme Court? How many judges are there in High Court? Just go through it. And next is about IPC, CRPC. Very important. What is the difference between IPC and CRPC? And guys, few important aspects which I want you all to focus about the recent case laws. Any important case laws? Keshananda Bharati case. It's very famous, right? I think every law student will be studying one or other aspect about it. And then even the famous landmark judgments, learn about who has basically proposed such kind of landmark judgments, know about it. I think that is very important. And then do not speak more in an interview. These are the few important tips I want to tell you. Do not speak more for the interview, neither speak less. Okay, have that balanced state of mind and don't lie. Be honest. If you do not know the answer, tell that, sorry sir, I don't know, I shall read upon it. But if you know something of the topic, you can tell that, as per my research, it's so and so, blah blah blah, this is what I know, sir, but further I shall read upon it. Be very honest and be very genuine. It's totally fine. Okay, it's totally fine for doing that. And there's a beautiful in Instagram, no, there's a beautiful page known as Phenology Legal. I think most of you will be following. Just follow that, Phenology Legal. And you will find all the important judgments over there. Just go through only the important judgment. If you go through it, that's more than enough for your preparation for your upcoming interview. So wish you all the best. Relax, don't worry. Okay, if you fright yourself, if you just get scared, then you're going to mess up with the interview. Just be very confident. Take a long breath in, long breathe out, and be very positive. Smile toward the interview and answer. Guys, you're all law student. You're going to transform this nation. That's the reason you opted for this law profession. So you should never get worried because of the small factors. If your English is not perfect, if your English is not fluent, it's totally fine. Okay, never reflect your weakness. Just be very confident. Be whoever you are. Just believe yourself. If you believe yourself, you can ace any kind of interview plus any kind of problems in your life. So wish you all the best. Relax, calm yourself, and I know that you all are going to ace it. And please do tell your result. Many students, when they message me about their result, I'll be really blessed. Many students got selected. I was like so much happy by their messages. So if you get selected, or if you have any kind of achievements you might have got through my message or anything like that, then it would be biggest achievement. Please do text in the comment box. I shall surely be happy. I'll preserve it as a screenshot, and it's going to create as a memories for me. So this is my small initiative. So if you want a mock interview from me, please, I'll just put up the link in the description box. Get in touch with me. I'll be surely there to help you out. So wishing you all the best. Relax and all the best, and ace it out. Goodbye, guys.